In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can identify different sections of Microsoft Word document. Microsoft Word document is one software that is commonly used across the globe among teachers and students, in business places, in social environments, in so many settings. Microsoft Word is used. So, and if you look at it, it has different sections. So I'm going to start with the uppermost section here. Here you have what is referred to as the title bar. This shows the title of the document, and right here at the left is quick access bar. It's actually grayed out right now, so we will get there. And you have the search bar here, so you can, if you have content in this text editing pane, then you can search the word here. You can find word. There are some other things you can use. We can just type here to bring, let's say, just start typing here to bring features to your fingertips and get help. So you can search for features that are not listed here as well. You can do that. So, and here, that's the section where you have the where you can log in into your Microsoft account. And right here you have this one that looks like a bulb. That's the learning center, where you can actually learn more about Microsoft Word. Here the highlighted button here is the minimize button. If you want to minimize Microsoft Word, you click on it, it will disappear into the taskbar, and you can go back there and click on it and it will be restored. So here you have the restore down button, and here you have the close. So the next line here we have the tabs. You can see File tab, and followed by Home tab, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Help. And one thing you need to understand is that each of these tabs have many tools that work together as Home tab. Many tools work together for the File tab. Many tools work together in the Insert tab, and so on and so forth like that. But you cannot see the tools now because the display unit, which is called ribbon, for those tools is not showing. And how do you show that? You can click on any of the tabs here. So let's click on the Home tab. You see, when we click on the Home tab, this becomes active. It becomes active, and because of that, you can see in this side is what is called the quick access toolbar. And if you click on this drop down, you see it says font formatting and font formatting and different types. So this one is undo, and this one is to redo. Oh, I think maybe I mistakenly put my cursor on the save. So here you have repeat formatting, and here you have undo font formatting. So if you click on this, it's called customize quick access toolbar. So here is your customize quick access toolbar. You can change what is available in here. So see, automatically save new, and see it like that. The two that are at the top, you can see that they are checked here. So if you want more at the top, all you do is click on it. You see I have read aloud checked, and it's displayed there now. So save is there. If I want to remove save button from there, all I need to do is click on this and the save button has disappeared. So if I want email there, I click and you can see email here right now. So you can actually adjust this, and you want quick print, that's for the printer right there. So it shows you your printer right here. And some of these things that you have here, you can access them at the file tab. So I go back to home. I want to bring out the ribbon, and once I click on this, you can see the ribbon has shown up now. And the ribbon, if I click inside this text editing area, the ribbon will disappear again. See, it has gone. So I only have the tabs showing. So I'll go back. Let me go back and click on home tab again, and you can see that the ribbon for home tab, all the ribbon right from here down to the end here is for home tab, not for all the tabs at the top. Is for home tab. So if you, for example, if you click on insert tab, you should have a ribbon with other set of tools, and same with draw tab. You see different set of tools, and so on and so forth like that. Review, this has to do with peer, maybe you're doing a peer review, you're editing the document, you're sharing the document, you're checking for spelling error, grammar and stuff like that. This is the section that will help you with that. Alright, any of these tabs you click on and the ribbon comes out, if you want to keep the ribbon permanently pinned to the bar, so all you need to do is come to the extreme end here, click on this. You see, if you look at what is checked here, it says show tabs only. That's why it is only the tabs that we're seeing. But now I will click on always show ribbon, and the ribbon is going nowhere again. So even if I click in this or I click outside, you see the ribbon is not going anywhere. So I'm going to drop this. Let me remove the email, remove the quick print, and remove read aloud, or let me just leave the read aloud. Okay, all right. So that is to let you know that this section, the first section up here, is the quick access toolbar, and here is the title bar, followed by the tabs, and each tab has ribbon attached to it. Now we move on. In the ribbon, let me go to the home section, or even we can use this. You see the name of each subsection of the ribbon at the bottom. This one is proofing, and this one is speech. You can see the line demarcating each subsection. This is accessibility, language, comments, markup, tracking here, compare, protect, and ink. Let's see what we have in home. Home, you have clipboard, you have font, you have paragraph, you have style, editing, voice, editor, and add-ins. So each of these subsections has tools, different tools in them. For example, for the clipboard, we have paste, we have the cut button, which you can easily access with a shortcut Ctrl X, and you have copy Control C, and formatting, format painting, you see there. Now move on to this. You see you can select the font type that you want and the font size. Here you can decrease font size. You can decrease it, you can increase it here, and here you can choose the case. You can change the case here, whether from uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase. And you see the font color, the text highlight color if you want to highlight text, and text effects. And in the paragraph, that's where you have your bullet points, where you can make bullet points. You have whether to center the content or to justify it towards the left or justify it towards the right. And you have the shading, the border. You can work on the border line, and many more. Style. What styles do you want for each section of the document? The heading, the title, the subheading. This is where you make adjustments and format those ones. And if you want to find, in the editing is where you have find, replace, and select. You can find a particular word, even if it is 100,000 lines in the Word document. If you find that word and it occurs 100,000 times, you can, and you decide to replace it with another word, you just put it in the button. Just if you click on this, the word that you find, you can click here and find the word, and here you replace it. You can say replace all, just one click, and it will replace it wherever that word exists in the document. So that is about that. And here we have the scroll bar to the right, to the extreme right, and here we have the zoom slicer. The zoom slicer is right here, so you can zoom in and out. You can increase this, or you can bring it back to the default size. And here, this by default, this text editor, this is the text editor. Is usually in print mode, in the mode that you can print it when you finish typing or formatting it, but you can decide to change it to read mode. I'll click on this button right here at the right side. You can see read mode, and you see what it is now. You can see that we have something here that you can use to change the page, and here I'm bringing it back. It's back, and this is the web page version, or the web page mode. It's not coming up and showing, but if you click on it, you see, so it's going to be like a web page. So let's return to this, and all these are on the status bar. The bar at the bottom of the text editor is what is called the status bar. The status bar. So the page, the number of words, the text prediction, accessibility, and so on and so forth are on the status bar. So if you click on word, it will show you the word count, and you can see everything there. The number of characters with space, without space, the number of words, all that's there. And if you right click on the same spot, it will give you more, and right here you can see a lot more, including the ones we have seen earlier, the word count, the characters, and so on and so forth. Accessibility checker, I think it has a signature also, somewhere. Permission, okay, here is signature, permission, label, spelling and grammar check, a lot. So for the on the quick on the status bar, you have the quick access tool there. So that is how far I will go in this particular edition, and this is the introductory part, like I said earlier, for more videos to come. Thank you. Please like, share and follow. Subscribe.